Hi, I'm Allison, and I'm a decluttering expert, have been for nearly 20 years, and this is my clutter. That's because I'm not perfect, but I have developed a system where when the clutter does build up, I know where it goes and it takes me less time to put those items where it belongs. I've also created a system where I don't have a lot of stuff, so the clutter can't really build up because I struggle with my energy at times. So I don't want to surround myself with a lot of stuff that doesn't have any meaning because it affects me up here. When I only have things that when I look out, they may not cost $1,000 million, but they're things that I really like, and it helps me want to take care of them. It motivates me to, be able to get more things done, and it makes me feel happy, even if there are small pockets of clutter. And that's what I want for you. My program isn't designed for you to be perfect and for you to have a perfect home. My program is designed to help you get started and to help you develop a system that works for you so that you enjoy everything that you have, you like what you have, it affects you in a great positive mental health way, and you have developed a system that allows you to be able to put things back because you know where they belong. If you're ready for that, then you're ready for my program, and let's talk. Either message me or visit my website.